100% recycled polyester. Imported. Polyester lining. Zipper closure. This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Wipe-able material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Insulated cooler material to keep your lunch and drink cold. Expandable mesh pocket on back for easy snack storage. Clip lock so you can hook onto your pack. Bold 3-stripe brand red. Top reviews from the United States. Surprised at how much it holds. My son loves it for school. Easy to clean, holds a lot and perfect for school lunches. My son is a sophomore in high school and he likes his lunch bag. Also keeps food cold.